corazón se enloquece. This song literally makes me cry.
I know that special someone you've been dreaming about all night long.
Alright, what's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you liked that mini concert I just did for you. No, but I mean, if you haven't gathered from the title, from the music, from my backdrop, we're gonna be doing a Selena video. Yeah! So MAC Cosmetics recently came out with a second Selena collection. And oh my god, you guys, it is beautiful. Like the packaging alone, I love it. I absolutely adore it. I've been a Selena fan since I was born. For as long as I can remember, I've always loved her music. That movie was on nonstop. I never knew her when she was alive. Obviously, she died in March of 95. I was born in August of 95. But I've always just been so drawn to her and just, I guess, obsessed. I've always just been obsessed. I think she was a great person from, I mean, what you hear, from the way she's portrayed in the movie. You know, there's just nothing but love for Selena. And somewhere here on YouTube, there's a little Anna, when I was like, I don't know, 2-3 years old, just performing her songs. Like, I got dressed up, my mom was recording me, I was using this flashlight for a microphone, like, but I have just always just adored Selena. Selena all day, every day. The movie makes me cry like no other. I can't listen to Dreaming of You without bawling. So, yeah, this collection is just really special to me. When they did it last time, I think 2016 is when they did it, the last collection, I was only able to purchase 2 lipsticks because everything else was sold out. And so this time I was like, no, dude, I'm getting everything. I'm getting everything. This is going to be like a little collector's thing, you know what I mean? I mean, as you can see, I have 4 copies of the People magazine. And then I have other magazines with her on it too. But yeah, I just really wanted to get this collection for myself to have as a collector's piece, you know. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy all of these swatches and all of the products that I'm showing to you today. Yeah, let me know your comments, let me know in the comments down below which one's your favorite, what you liked from the collection, what you didn't necessarily like from the collection. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm gonna first pick up this shade right here to set my eye base. The eye base I'm using today is, of course, Painterly Paint Pot from MAC. So I'm just gonna get something to set that with. I'm gonna go into the crease with this color here. I don't want to go too crazy on the eyes today because I will be swatching all of the lipsticks, lip liners, lip glosses, everything. So I don't want to go too hard on the eyeshadow. I will be doing lots of other tutorials using this palette because I think the colors are so stunning. It's a very versatile palette, so we're gonna stick with something real simple today. but don't worry. So MAC eyeshadows, if you are familiar, they are pigmented. I would say they're easy to work with. It's just a matter of being able to control how much product you put down. If I were to just tap this and then go straight in, it would come out so dark. So that's why I always be sure to tap off any excess shadow, because it's always easier to build up than to try and blend it out. So that looks nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to the other side. I love this palette because I feel like it is a nice, just everyday neutral palette, but then you also get like this pink and this red to really have a nice pop of color if you want every once in a while. But these matte shades are incredible, especially the browns, like the neutral shades. They're so nice to work with. They're great everyday shades. They're great bridal shades if you do makeup. So you just want to make sure that everything is balanced. You have the same amount of product on both eyes. One eye is not darker than the other. And back, all that good stuff. I'm going to focus kind of darker eyeshadow over here on the outer end of my eye, so that it kind of just gives a different kind of look. So I'm not going to pass like this much of my eye with the darker eyeshadow. So I'm going to pick up this shade right here, and it's cool because it's kind of like a duochrome. So it's kind of like gold, but then it's also like, it also shifts to like a pink. And this is crazy because I don't feel as though sparkly eyeshadows don't really transfer well when you use them with a brush. I usually use my fingers for it. But this is transferring to my eye beautifully. I think it's such a cool color. I'm going to pick up a smaller blendy brush, just this one right here, and I'm going to pick up this darker shade. I'm just going to apply that to the outer V of my eye. And I'm not going to extend it like up into my crease. I'm just going to literally put it right here. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of that first brown shadow that we applied just on that same small brush, and I'm just going to sweep that underneath my eye. Just very lightly. I don't want it too dark, but I do want some sort of shadow underneath, just so that the look fills and looks a little more complete. Okay, so there is that. I'm gonna go put on some blush, some bronzer, some eyelashes and mascara, and then we will move on to the highlighter and the lips. Hello, I am back. The rest of my face is done. The mop is combed. Excuse my bangs. I don't know what the hell's going on. They're looking a lot crazy. So just ignore them. Just stay tucked in right there, nice and warm. You too. All right, so next we're gonna apply some highlighter. It's raised, which is really cool, so you can feel it. Ooh, ASMR moment. But yeah, so it comes with an insert like this, just like the palette did. And then this is what the highlighter looks like. Oh, it's amazing. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face down with some setting spray just so we can really make that highlighter pop. I was gonna say pop the highlighter, but that makes no sense. Okay, I'm gonna pick up this highlighter brush. Just get some on the brush. Ooh, ooh. That is such a pretty highlighter. This highlighter is so pretty. Wow. I think I've only had one MAC highlighter. It was from a long, long time ago. I don't even remember the name of it, but I remember loving it because that is one of the first products that I've ever... Sorry, guys. This shit is just... It's one of the first products that I remember actually going through and finishing completely. But oh, beautiful. Okay, now onto lips. So this first shade is called Dame un Beso. And this is really nice hot pink. So this color is so pretty. I love that it's like a matte, ready pink. Because you kind of get tones of pink, but then you also get those reddish tones, which I love. And I didn't think I was gonna want to keep this one because it is hot pink, and I usually don't wear hot pinks. I'm more of a nude person. But wow, this color is beautiful. That's a very nice color. I do see me wearing this, so I'm excited to wear that. I'm going to be going in with is the shade Siempre Selena. This is just the prettiest red. It's like a hot cherry red. It's beautiful, beautiful. I love hooker red lipstick. It's my favorite. How stunning is this red? Like, I love red lipstick, honestly. Nudes and like hot red and sometimes an occasional orange. But I love this color. It's so beautiful. The lipstick formula is so comfortable. It really doesn't feel like anything's on, which is nice. And it's just like velvety, you know what I mean? So, okay guys, so next color we're gonna go in with is Big Bertha. It's another retro matte lipstick, and it is such a pretty nude. Like, oh, this is giving me like 90s vibes. So let's see how it looks on. So this is Big Bertha. It's such a pretty cool toned brown. This is right up my alley. This is like a little darker than what I'm used to, but it is still so beautiful. I would definitely wear this every day. Yeah. So I'm excited to throw this in my rotation of my favorite nudes. I do feel like it looks a little warmer in the tube versus on the lips. I feel like it dries a little more cool toned. So just something to note. Okay, so this is the washing machine. And just keep in mind, like, I don't have anything on. So usually I'm not a gloss person anyway. But if I were to wear just a gloss, I would obviously throw a lip liner over it. But I just wanted to show you how it looks just on your bare lips with no lipstick, no lip liner, nada. But this color is so beautiful. And it's comfortable. It's like, I don't want to say it's sticky. Like, it's sticky if you get it on your hands, but on your lips, it doesn't feel that way. The shine is incredible, right? Again, I wouldn't use these on their own. It's just not my thing. If it's your thing, that's great. I just don't think it looks good on me, personally. So, but it's so pretty. I feel like the reflex in this one are more like icy. Like I'm seeing some silver, I see some purple. But it's a beautiful gloss. This would go great under any lipstick. So I love, love, love this gloss. This one is Hey Dad, Pizza. But love this one. It's more of a brown toned. So you get more of like a golden look with it. They're not so icy like the other two were, or it's not so icy like the other two were. But it is so pretty. So I didn't want to look at my lips. They're a hot mess. But I didn't want to swatch Queen of Cumbia on my lips because I'm going to be gifting that to somebody. So I'm not going to put that one on my lips, but you saw the swatch of it on my arm. It's a family member that it's going to, so I sanitized it and all that. I just don't want to put it on my lips because that's me. Nobody wants that. But these lipsticks are so beautiful. Like the packaging alone is just like, hold on, let me see if I can get this. Let me just turn them your way. How about that? Like the packaging on these are just simply stunning. I love that it's holographic with black and silver. I think it's so pretty. These lipsticks go on so nicely, very smooth. The only one that I kind of, not was like about, but like, that was a little different, we'll say, is this one. I think it's unavoidable. Unavoidable, I think. I don't know. But there's actual chunks of glitter in it. So it was a little different, but I still love the color. I think it looked amazing on. So, all right, guys, so that is it for my Selena collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know your thoughts down below, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.